Looking fresh and Welcome back to the series on where we restore this piece of shit car.
Shut the fuck up.
On this episode of the series of restoring this car, we will be restoring the paint. That's why I got my handy dandy spray bottle. Right, ready? Alright. If y'all notice the difference in Brandon, we changed from Alpha Street to Dynasty. And I would like you to introduce the owner of Dynasty.
Hello everybody.
Apparel.
I am the founder of Dynasty Media, and you can follow me on Dynasty Apparel. Thank you.
Y'all puberty, bro?
Alright, so when you are clay barring a car, you want to keep that shit lubricated. Alright, make sure your clay bar is lubricated. I'm using soapy water right now. And when you clay bar, make sure you only go in one direction. You know, you don't want to go in circles like you're waxing it. One direction back and forth, you see? You go left to right, up and down, don't matter.
Fucking broad and coconut for it.
I don't know what you hear, but you hear. That means you paint his ass, bro. Like a funny dipper. Yeah, man. Yeah, just make sure you keep that shit wet.
I'm so full. Too many jackass, man. Nah, I don't like
You lied to me. I thought you said take it off from the inside.
Oh, we did take it off on the inside. Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, I like it. Picasso, I like it.
Alright, well, onto the wire, guy. I mean, Randy.
I don't know. Was that wire? That wasn't wire.
Was that you?
There is, fool.
Yeah. Or I have
That mom just fucking.
Yeah, let's paint it black.
It's kind of
We're coming out with merch soon. So if y'all like what we do and you all want to support the small family business that is being ran by my man right here, hit up his line on the IG. And then hit him up after for a date. Yo, come check this out, come check this out.
Man, what the fuck?
The last time we polished this food didn't fucking wipe it off. Look at all that look at all that's leftover residue, bro.
It's called come sane. Get it right.
Why you coming in your car?
Because I like my car.
He also likes furries.
I know you.
Oh shit. Hey, if you ever drop your clay bar, make sure you get a new one. But this is ready car, I don't care. Hey, word on the street, he's selling it after.
That's with this gas right? I'm not trading this for a fucking E90. Hell nah.
E90.
Oh, that might be like, yeah.
Look at these fools. You snooze, you lose. Hey, if anyone is selling a Beyond ticket, don't hit us up because it's already passed by the time this video is uploaded. But if y'all go to EDC, catch these two fools there.
I'm gonna go to EDC. Fuck that.
This guy is wearing a jersey that says "Sip Man for Life" with the number 69 on the back. If you're there, make sure you look for him. Free jersey if you find him.
The hell?
Anyways, let me get you a close look right here. We just clay bar this paint. Look at that. Finally, it's starting to look like actual paint, bro.
Ooh, gang, ooh.
Starting to look like an actual car.
Ooh, gang, ooh. If you play Baron and this your username, fuck you.
What the fuck?
You fucking hacker.
Starting to look like a car again. Look at that. Sheesh. Alright, but after I clay bar this, I am going to hit it with some cutting compound. And then I'm going to hit it with the polishing compound and finish it off with some ceramic coat. Unless this dude doesn't think that he'll take care of it. What the fuck? Look at this roof though. What is this? New design, bro. Alright, so we just hit this thing with a little bit of cutting compound. And look at that. Jesus Christ, so much better already. Now we're just gonna go over it with a little bit of polishing. And we'll see how it goes. Hey, and by no means are we professional detailers.
Yes. Shut the
So if y'all
hell
need to say something, make sure you say it to this guy. Alright. By no means are we professional detailers. And if anyone knows how to get rid of these yellow spots from the wrap, from the adhesive burning onto here, let me know. Because I have no idea how you do it. I thought it was going to come off with the cutting, but it did not. Okay, so the product we're using, okay? And by no means are these the product you should be using. Because this is cheap as fuck we got from Walmart. McGuire's Ultimate Compound, bro. And for the polish, we are using wax Okongruo Total Wax. And by no means should you be using this either, because this is also cheap shit from Walmart. So look, what I did, I put a little bit of the polish on, and I prime it into the pad like this, you know.
The fuck?
Prime it in there.
How you should do it with a human.
You see this?
Show my dick.
I should call her. You good there, buddy?
No.
So you just want to spread out the product. That's why you go at low speed. And then after that, let it rip. Alright, so we just do polish on there. Look at that shit, bro. Look at that shit, bro. Jesus. Alright, now we just have to do on the 2 doors. And we're done for this. Now we're still waiting on Randy, bro. It's been like a month.
What?
You've been working on that side for a month, bro. Hurry up. Yo, look at this. I just polished the shit. Jeez. Dude. Big nut. Randy, big nut.
Show us your meat. Show us your meat. Show us your meat.
Show us your meat. Show. Alright, so we got done. Not waxing. We got done cutting, polishing, and ceramic coating this whole side. And the wing. The wing looking great. Look at that shit, bro.
We a little bit drunk. A
Oh,
little bit high.
a little faded right here. Might need to sand and re-clear it there. But my man is still hard at work over here, taking the rest of that wrap off. How you feeling, Randy? What's all this bullshit?
Adhesive.
Come stay.
Hey, where you shoot, man? No shoot, no service.
Free feed pick.
No feedback, boom.
Free. Looking's free, but touching's gonna cost you. How you feel about your car, bro?
What? Better.
You starting to like it better?
No, same shit.
Same. Oh, just a car, huh?
From point A to point B.
Hey, yo, we gotta think about his mid interior. But yeah, next time we're back, we need to remove the rest of these wrap. We gotta remove the lights. This bumper over here too. Don't worry, we don't monetize our videos, bro. We're not famous enough for that yet. Enjoy it while it lasts. But yeah.
Yeah, they changed the thingy.
Probably gonna go ahead and clean all of this off for him. Eh. Yo. Damn, Rainy, what you doing over there? Hey, make it faster, Jim. Make it faster.
I'll make it faster.
It's on the remote.
That's the fastest.
The fuck?
There we go. Make it flash. Yeah.
We got a kid under electric sky? No, because they don't make the move.
Yo.
The fuck?
We got any ravers out there? If you guys are a raver interested in joining the rave fam, let us know. We'll meet up. Right, Randy? Let me do a freaking headbang audition for y'all, bro.
The fuck?
Y'all gotta check out my headbang, okay? I'm the best headbanger in this group.
The fuck?
You like how we roll? Yeah, we roll for you too. Give me that roll, give me that roll. You're ready for this, you ready?
What the fuck? You what?
You ready for the drop, bro? You ready? Here we go, here we go! That's my audition, guys. If you guys want to join the Ray fam, hit us up. This shit's still recording? No. Oh, it is.
Clip. Clip.